Sri Lanka is a fast-growing economy in the world, and the apparel sector has been the country's largest net foreign exchange earner since 1992. Sri Lanka's apparel manufacturing sector now provides sophisticated solutions to the industry's more complex global needs, leveraging on creativity and experience in an array of fields. Located in the Western Province, Katunayake is home to Sri Lanka's largest international airport, and it is only 35 kilometers away from the island's main seaport of Colombo, making it a strategically connected hub. In Free Trade Zone Phase 2 of Katunayake lies Regal Image International, a breakthrough in Sri Lanka's apparel embellishment sector and the only plant in Sri Lanka that offers total embellishment solutions under one roof. Regal Image International, transforming the future. Regal Image International was founded in 2016 with an idea of catering to the growing demand for a one-stop plant that would serve the total embellishment solutions required in the industry. With support from fully featured manufacturing facilities, Regal Image International supplies a total quality management system to continuously improve the quality of products and manufacturing process. Regal Image International is the only manufacturing plant in Sri Lanka equipped with high-quality European and Japanese machinery, including automated screen printing systems, industrial sublimation printing machines, laser cutting systems, high-build heat transfer unit, and automated garment form embroidery machines with sequin capability. Our automated carousel and oval screen printing machines are capable of producing 16 color prints of up to 40 plus inches in length in garment form, performing complicated designs with the highest quality, which could never be performed as quickly, efficiently, and precisely by any other technology. The high-quality 18-head garment form embroidery machines with sequin capability enable us to deliver perfect sequin details in quick time with the combination of speed and precision with unsurpassed flexibility powered by sophisticated features. Our sublimation printing systems consist of the most advanced technologies, and it is capable of performing high-speed industrial operations with new sensations and overwhelmingly higher added values, ensuring the quality of excellence. With a 60,000 square foot manufacturing plant equipped with the latest technology and a workforce of 400 skillful employees headed by the pioneers in the industry, this multi-million-dollar investment is capable of producing more than 50,000 apparel embellishments per day, which is more than 1 million units per month. These embellishments are exported to the USA, Europe, and other major markets. Our major customers include Levi's, Columbia, Pink, Victoria's Secret, Ralph Lauren, Nike, Adidas, DKNY, Disney, River Island, Original Marines, Intimissimi, George, Tesco, Primark, Next, Marks & Spencer, Superdry, and many more. As an equal opportunity company at Regal Image International, we value our people, and our highest endeavor is to develop our people's lives, ensuring their well-being. In order to achieve this, we offer advanced facilities and fringe benefits for our employees by creating a motivating work environment, prioritizing employee welfare and enrichment. We believe in excellent service and envisage customer satisfaction as our top priority. In the joint effort of all staff, Regal Image International has been awarded for Oikotex Class 1 Standard, SMETA 4-Pillar Standard, Global Organic Textile Standard, and registered with HIG Index and ZDHC, which guarantee our continuous compliance with high standards of responsible business practices in labor, health and safety, environment, and business ethics. Regal Image International is striving to be one of the most technologically superior embellishment plants in South Asia. We are now ready to reshape Sri Lanka's apparel sector, reaching new heights while transforming people's lives.